Let's see what j looks like in the actual word. Today we want to talk about this one, which we know is one of the brothers or sisters of re and ze. So it doesn't have any lowercase or capital, it's just one. And we know that it comes at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. It comes in either place, just looking like this. And it can attach only from here, a part here. Now, let's see what happens in the actual words. Je at the beginning, in the middle, again in the middle, and at the end. Look, it doesn't attach to anything because we know nothing can attach to je from here. Here, because me wants to attach, je attached to that, like many other lowercase forms. They have to attach from here. So je has no other choice. Here, as we know, a doesn't want to attach, so je comes alone. And at the end again, same thing happens. But if we didn't have that a and it was just lowercase c, it would attach. You know that, right? Okay, now let's read these words together and see what they mean in English. First of all, we had this one before. Gelé. Gelé. Gelé is the same as jelly in English. Moje. 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 Moje is the same as eyelash in English. Magique. 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 Magique is the same as marker in English. And the last one, massage. Massage. Massage is the same as massage in English. Massage. It's as easy as this. Let's see what we have for practice. For next session, write down this one, and the part that it can attach to other letters should be in another color, right around here. Second one, try to write down each one of these just once to practice. Third one, instead of saying jelly, we say gelé. Instead of saying eyelash, we say moje. Instead of saying marker, we say magique. And instead of saying massage, we say massage. Some words in Persian and English are somehow the same. Okay, we actually in Persian we got those words from English. Sometimes it's opposite, sometimes nobody knows which one is the origin, but we have such words in these two languages with different pronunciation. This one, and somehow this one are, we can consider them as something similar to each other, especially these two. Okay, when you did your practice, comment for me and let me know. If you had any questions, again comment. See you guys next session, and until then, bye.